Hello, my name is Marco. I'm a global support engineer with Dell EMC, working within the modular space. Today, we're going to go over how to reset an iDRAC within OpenManage Enterprise for a server. First, you want to log in using your admin credentials. Once on the chassis dashboard, we want to go over to Devices. We want to select Compute. This will bring up the list of our servers. The system we're going to work on is going to be powered off. We select the server. Once server information is presented, we'll see Overview. We'll drop down Troubleshooting, Reset iDRAC. The notification will pop up. We want to confirm. After a few minutes, the process will complete. We can go back to the chassis dashboard. Once on the chassis dashboard, we can come over to recent activity and we can see that the iDRAC reset has been completed. Thanks for watching.